Hello, my name is Mitja Manček and I'm gonna present you the basic idea of my film Deux. Deux was made, the very purpose is to connect certain colors with certain tones. So we have colors of rainbow and we have the tones of solfeggio, and so every tone gets its color. Whenever you hear a certain tone, you get a certain color. When you hear another tone, you see another color, and so this is the basic concept, the basic idea. Then I wanted to do split screen to the two halves, so we have left and right side of the screen. As well, we have two speakers, so we have stereo sound, classical. So I wanted to make a different tone on the right for the right speaker and for the left speaker, and so we have different colors of the screen from the left and the right side. So I made this. I just played with it, and I wanted to do this as the smallest resolution possible. As you can see, in composition settings, we have 4 pixels width and 4 pixels height, and you can't get lower. So this is how I created the film. I wanted to make the smaller resolution possible, very simple, and that's it, and thanks for listening.